However, if you have an older vehicle, the sound is probably even worse. In either scenario, upgrading the amp is the first step to creating great in-car entertainment. There are quite a few to choose from with a range of features and performance levels, and of course, prices. So, let's take a look at the best amplifiers for cars currently on the market and find the perfect one for you. Number 1. Boss Audio R1100M amplifiers for car. Boss Audio Systems is one of the leading audio brands in the world, and the company has been in this business for 30 years. The company has a wide range of audio products, and Boss Audio Systems' Riot Series Car Amplifier is the best amplifier for cars from the brand. The amplifier has 1100 W max power at 2 ohm impedance, which makes it suitable for high-quality sound output. The amplifier is flexible in its output as it can also have 550 W max power at 4 ohm impedance. It belongs to Class AB category, which means it can reproduce better signal with high efficiency. The presence of MOSFET power supply ensures better output current and voltage. The amp comes with low and high-level RCA inputs that keep the noise level to the minimum for better performance. On top of that, the variable crossover can reproduce low-level audio signals efficiency for better bass effect. In fact, the bass boost option lets you control the low bass as per your preference. Moreover, there is a wired remote available to control the subwoofer as per your requirements. Pros: wired subwoofer remote control, auto shut-off for protection, high RMS power for optimal performance, Class AB for better signal reproduction. Cons: overheating could be an issue. Number 2, Boss Audio Systems AR1500M Car Amplifier. The AR1500M Car Amplifier is a good example of what Boss Audio does. They make a decent, but not the very best, amp, and then set it at an attractive price point, so anyone who is looking to improve the system, or put the first system in, will get good sound performance and an excellent deal. It is well built with its slim, compact shape, and measures 10.3 by 6.5 by 2.8 inches, and weighs 5 pounds, therefore, it is going to be easy to install without taking up too much space. The build is strong and is designed to withstand overheating problems. Considering its price point, it is a surprisingly powerful amp, pushing out 1100 watts RMS at 2 ohms. It also has some interesting sound controls. Let's return to the sound controls. It offers you a great deal of control over sound settings. There is a low-pass filter which will allow you to adjust the level of the bass. This is controlled easily and can be adjusted to your preference. The controls are designed so that you can change the settings from the head unit. This way, you do not have to make adjustments to the amp. A solid system that is set at a very attractive price. It will suit those who may be on a budget, or those who just need a quick, cheap upgrade to an existing system. Number 3, Planet Audio AC1500-1M Monoblock Car Amplifier. Planet Audio started its operation in 1997 with the main focus on producing high-quality car audio items that are powerful yet affordable. The brand has a wide range of car amplifiers, and Planet Audio Monoblock Car Amplifier totally stands out. The amp can produce 1500 W max peak at 2 ohm and 750 W max peak at 4 ohm into one channel only. You can connect the amplifier to your subwoofer for superior car audio. The high and low level inputs make the product compatible with different factory car audio systems. The low-pass crossover removes all the noises and distortions. Moreover, the variable bass boost lets you adjust the boost as per your requirements. There is also protection against short-circuiting and thermal overload. Besides, there is power protection, and you get a subwoofer remote control. It belongs to the Class AB category for efficient output. Furthermore, the MOSFET power supply ensures high-efficient output. The answer is at this price. Yes, it does. It has all the basic sound control features you will require and plenty of power. Best features: Class AB for high-efficiency reproduction, wider compatibility and bass boost, proper cooling system for continuous operation, illuminated design and compact structure. Number 4, Lanzar Monoblock Amplifier Car Audio. For those looking for budget options for their car audio amps, here is another option from Lanzar. Lanzar specializes in offering budget range products and manufactures a range of amps, speakers, subs, and other audio-related equipment. A welcome feature with this amp is that it is another option that has a compact build. It measures only 12.99 by 8.81 by 2.24 inches and weighs just 5 pounds. The output is rated at 650 watts RMS at 4 ohms, and it includes a booster for the bass if you require it. It has a frequency response of 50 Hz to 250 Hz and an efficient crossover network. The build quality is of quite a high standard, and it has been given some useful features. all the terminals that are screw down and the connectors for RCA inputs are nickel-plated. This ensures that the connections are good and stable. It also, of course, prevents any rust or corrosion. For indicators on the status of the amp, there is an LED to show it is on, and another that acts as a warning indicator if something malfunctions. Of course, at this price point, you are not going to get a top-of-the-range amp, but for those on a budget, this is a decent buy. Number 5. Pyle Hydromarine Amplifier Elite Series 800 Watt. This amp from Pyle has been designed for marine use essentially, but it can be used in vehicles as well. It claims it is waterproof, but we can find no official IP rating to confirm this. This is very much a budget range amp. It has 4 channels and will operate with a variety of extra devices. With the 3.5mm to RCA adapter, you can connect smartphones or an MP3 player. There are some protection circuits built in. It has soft power on and off as well as protection against a short circuit. It is quite a compact unit, measuring 11.5 by 5, 75 by 3, 75 inches and weighing 5 pounds, and so it should not be too difficult to find a space for it, and has a power rating of 100 watts RMS on each of the 4 channels at 4 ohms. Additionally, it has a gain control that is adjustable by 2 to 4 ohms. It doesn't have a power on indicator light or LED. Even though it is a budget system, we think that might be considered an omission. Has a built-in power protection circuitry and soft turn-on/off. These are to protect the amp and your vehicle's electrical system from short-circuit conditions. Pros: a basic system at a cost-effective price, some protection for the circuits built in. Cons: lacking some basic features.